Hey everybody, how you doing? Welcome back to another walkthrough by MarineMax Danvers. My name's Adam Van Fleet. Today we're walking through a 2018 Sea Ray 190 SPX, the Outboard edition. We're gonna start here back at the transom. Nice big swim platform with your boarding ladder. Big old 150 Mercury 4-stroke on there and a ski pylon. This is the perfect boat for water sports. All right, nice, easy to maneuver. Tubing, water skiing, everything's gonna be a blast. Now, if you've watched any of my previous videos, you know I'm big on storage, right? Check this out. Back here, because you have the Outboard model, look at all this storage you get here. Fenders, lines, you wanna put extra life jackets in there, water sports, get yourself a 12-volt pump, you'll be good to go. All right. Over here on the starboard side too, you also have cooler storage, built-in little holding stands down there so it doesn't toss around while you're underway. Underneath here, you also have a whole bunch more storage. These just pop up real nice and easy, right? This one is actually draining too, right? So if you're gonna use this as an additional cooler, you could put ice in there. If you're going fishing, and you wanna ice down all the fish before you get home, drain right out the side of the boat. All right. Cup holders are gonna be everywhere in this boat, right? Back here, moving up to your port side lounger, you'll notice all these nice handles, guys. This one has the stainless steel upgrade. So everything like handles, cup holders, you know, on the throttle, the dash trim is all stainless steel as opposed to a plastic, all right? This port side lounger has a couple different positions. You'll notice this seat is full out here. If you wanted to tuck it away so you have a bow facing seat, this cushion just comes right up, stores right underneath that aft seat. Down here, you do have an anchor locker. Plenty of storage for things like the canvas pylons, your anchor. You want to put a set of water skis down here. Anything's all right in here. Nice, easy latches to keep everything nice and tight. Over at the dash, all right, you have your tachometer, speedometer, fuel gauge, and your trim gauge. This one does also have a depth finder. All your rocker switches for things like your anchor lights, your horn, your bilge, and your Roxford Fosgate radio controls are right in here. As we move to the middle of the boat, on the port side here, you do have a storage compartment here. And underneath, more storage. On a boat like this, you can't go wrong with having as much storage as possible. This one, we got the canvas tucked away, nice blue canvas to cover everything up here when you're not using the boat. More cup holders here. And then up here, you also have storage right underneath here. So if you have more lines, you have another anchor, you know, so if you want to bow and stern anchor, you'll be good to go there. Those pick right up, nice and easy. On the windshield here, this will pop right over. And then you have the latches here, so it doesn't bounce around as you're cruising across the lake, the harbor, wherever you're at. Putting it back up, if you want to check this out before I put this window back down, Addy, nice sturdy latch here, so you don't got to worry about it bouncing open if it's, you know, underway. Stereos throughout, cleats up here for tying the boat down. Bow lights are up top there, all right. This does have a full canvas that'll come up top. So if it's raining out, you want to get out of the sun for a little while, throw that right up, you'll be good to go. Beautiful boat here. You get any questions about this boat, guys? Currently for sale, all right? Give me a call, 781-635-8684. My name's Adam Van Fleet. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.